In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly download and activate Element 3D using your official Video Copilot license. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official Video Copilot website at videocopilot.net. It's important to use the official site so you're downloading the correct installer and activating with a legitimate license. This helps you avoid installation issues and make sure everything works properly inside After Effects. Once you're on the site, log into your Video Copilot account. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and register for a new account first. Make sure you use the account connected to your purchase because that's where your product access and download options will appear. After logging in, go to the store section if you still need to purchase Element 3D. If you already own it, you can skip that part and go straight to your user account dashboard. From there, look for your downloads page where you'll find the installer for Element 3D. Now download the version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Choosing the correct installer is important because the wrong version may not install properly. While you're on the downloads page, also download your official license file if that option is available, or simply make sure your account login details are ready, since you may need them during activation. Before installing anything, check that Adobe After Effects is fully closed. This is a simple but important step because leaving it open can sometimes interfere with the installation process. Once that's done, open the installer file you downloaded and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When the installation finishes, launch Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition, then add a solid layer. After that, go to the Effect menu and apply the Element 3D effect to that solid. So this is the point where the plugin initializes and gives you access to the activation process. Next, in the Effect Controls panel, click on Scene Setup. Doing this should trigger the activation window for Element 3D. From there, choose the activation method that works best for you. You can authorize automatically by signing in with your Video Copilot account, or you can manually locate your license file if you downloaded it earlier. Once activation is complete, Element 3D should be ready to use. That means you're fully set up and ready to start creating impressive 3D graphics directly inside After Effects. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.